Welcome to 81 Taylor Road in the highly desirable and very well sought after community of St. George. This home has been exceptionally well maintained by its current and only owner and is loaded with desirable features throughout. Features such as an open concept floor plan with an abundance of cabinetry and storage space, a completely finished lower level, a beautiful and private backyard, as well as an oversized double-car garage. This home truly will make one lucky buyer very, very excited. But honestly, the best part about this home is its community in which it's located. Walking distance to great parks, great school, childcare centers, wonderful restaurants, and quick proximity to Brantford, Paris, Cambridge, as well as Hamilton. If you've been looking for a wonderful community to raise your family in or retire in, you owe it to yourself to come and explore exactly why the village of St. George is so highly sought after. If you love what you've seen and you want more information, be sure to give Ryan a ring or reach out to your realtor today.